A polygon has 44 diagonals. How many sides does it have? And we're given a hint, d equals n squared minus 3n, all divided by 2. When we use the 5-step problem-solving process to solve this, we first familiarize ourselves with the situation, and we're given the formula to use. The number of diagonals in a polygon is equal to the number of sides squared minus 3 times the number of sides, all divided by 2. So we can move to the translate step and replace d with 44, since we're told that this polygon has 44 diagonals. So we have 44 equals n squared minus 3n over 2. And we multiply both sides by 2, and we get 88 equals n squared minus 3n. This is a quadratic equation, so we get 0 on one side, and we have n squared minus 3n minus 88. And this factors. It factors as n minus 11 times n plus 8. At this point, we can use the principle of zero products, and we can set n minus 11 to 0, or n plus 8 equals 0. Solving, we have n equals 11, or n equals negative 8. Now when we move to the check step, let's first think about what we're looking for. We're looking for the number of sides of a polygon. Therefore, negative 8 will not be an answer that we even need to check, because we can't deal with negative sides of a polygon. What about if we have a polygon of 11 sides? Well, if we take 11 squared, subtract 3 times 11, divide by 2, we get 44 diagonals. So 11 does check. And we can state that the polygon has 11 sides.